This is the best flat iron experience I've had since I've been natural at home. Like, I'm not even kidding. Hello! Welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie, and here today I'm showing you how I did this super silky silk press at home. Everyone's been asking me, show us what you do, da da da. So here I am, okay? I used some new products, which you'll see in the video, and I'm just telling you how I got this. It's nothing too complicated. I want you guys to do this at home. That my hair is already straight. And you're like, Natalie, why are you doing your hair? Because I have seen your pictures, and my hair was silk pressed from like 3 weeks ago. So I just wanted, and that was at a salon because I needed a trim. Look at the trim. Look at the difference. No words. Anywho, so now we're here. My hair is a little flaky, but she's still doing her thing. If I didn't have anything to do, like if I didn't have pictures, I would left my hair like this, no problem. Mia or Miael? Miael? I think it's Mia. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I've been using for the past 2 wash days. I'm really impressed compared to the Aussie, which I was using. That's a whole nother story. Blowout. So we have some heat protectant. I just bought this from Target. Oh, we have our handy dandy ghetto. Do you see the duct tape? Is that even safe? My mom did that. Don't blame me. Adding the silk infusion and the heat protectant, making sure I'm raking that completely through because this is the base for my blow dry. You do not want to weigh your hair down with creams and oils. Also, you'll see that I have my shower cap on, but that's just to keep the other sections moist while I'm working in the current section. This flat iron is not digital and it goes by 5s. So I have to figure out what that even means in terms of temperature. So, I have coarse hair So that would be 41 through 50. We'll do like 43 or something like that.
There has to be a supernatural message.
Get
We're gonna test it on a small piece. Back in 2015 when I had a crimp machine, I did a whole chunk. I was like, and then it burned off the entire piece. So I learned my lesson, and maybe that's for you. Like, don't just go in with new tools on your head. Test out the temperature, because that was tragic.
you can't hide.
How you feeling, my love? I love seeing your pretty little face, and I think that you should come back. You understand? Nah, for real, I was actually really tired, but with natural hair, you just have to take your time. And honestly, you are your best investment and you are worth the time. I struggle with patience though, and I really was not breathing while I was doing my hair. Like, girl, breathe.
From the back. I want to listen to music. Let's speed this up.
In the night, he see that in the dark and in the right. He keep that, keep it running like it plumb. He need that, need her up beneath the stars. He need that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep that, keep it running. You could see it from the front, you see it from the back. You could see it from the front, you see it from the back. You could see it from the front, you see it from the back. You could see it from the front, you see it from the back.
That's why you see me doing this way on this and then bringing it down, because every time I do it this way, I always burn my finger. My senior pictures were a very last minute thing. I didn't even know that I was gonna do it until a couple days before. So straightening my hair was just the quickest and most reliable hairstyle that I could do at that point. I wasn't really truly excited for these photos. I was really nervous, but also I was a little worried because I had applied for graduation, but the office doesn't approve it. My school's office does not approve it until your final semester. And then the portal that my school uses to track your degree completion is not reliable. So I went to an advisor and she was like, I think it looks good. Like, girl, do your job. I need your help. So there was a little bit of worry, but I just really wanted to celebrate myself. Being at a commuter school could be kind of hard to have that school spirit, to have that excitement. This was literally just to encourage me to have that vision of me in my cap and gown, knowing that it was gonna happen. Taking school photos has just been a tradition for me since I was really young. Like, I have pictures from me in kindergarten through elementary, middle school. So it was just really important for me to continue the tradition, but also these photos, they were a little more special. I saw the amount of resilience and endurance that I didn't even know that I had. So that's why it's special. Do you see the smoke? I was like, what's going on here? Oh yeah, and please trim your ends.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
We're back. This was the first time I've ever used this titanium flat iron. This is nothing new to the natural hair community. I just never had the guts to actually buy it. And then I bought it. And now we're here. Whoa! Isn't this... I can't believe this. This is the best flat iron experience I've had since I've been natural at home. Like, I'm not even kidding. I wanted it straight for my senior pictures, so I was kind of nervous. I was like, oh my gosh, I just went to the salon to get a silk press, and now I'm gonna do a silk press at home, when every single time the silk press at home has not turned out well. I feel like this really helped, and it was like, it felt like a leave-in when I put it in. It made my hair really manageable. I'm so used to having leave-ins right out the shower. This time I didn't do that for my silk press, so I just put in the serum, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, okay, the serum's good, like my hair is moisturized because I deep conditioned, but putting this in felt like I put in a leave-in, which is so interesting. I definitely feel like this helped the blowout, which is definitely the base, which makes any silk press worth it. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond for, it was $150. I had a coupon for 25% off, and I got it for $119. It was so worth it, and I've been so scared because I'm like, I spent money on so many flat irons. Do we absolutely love. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just make sure you come back, because you didn't find this video for no reason. You were meant to be here. Just for you, I'll be back. So make sure you're here, okay? Subscribe, okay? Bye.